Hello fellow steamers, St. Paul Steam here. I've just got done somewhat restoring this Empire number 43. It's a simpler engine. Came to me pretty cruddy looking. And we reshot the whole base, kind of cleaned up the boiler. Tell you what, the nickel is a little thin on this. I just touched it with my buffing wheel and left that scratch there. But one thing I'm kind of concerned about, doesn't seem like a lot until you watch it run, but the wobble this flywheel has. That's really just, and I didn't think it was that loose really, but it's just the play that it has, and these little stamped out bores. I'm thinking about ball bearing in this thing, and I may just do it. One thing I've done that I really like this improvement, had a washer in there just to kind of keep this spaced out, and I put a little spring in there. And I like that a lot. That just works really well. Doesn't have a lot of pressure on it, but enough. But I think I'm going to tear this apart, put some ball bearings in that stanchion upright. Probably come back and see what we have then. So I redid the whole thing. But anyway, there we have it. Check back in, see what we got done with. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye.